Thank you for joining me again on White Gloves Wardrobe, part of Etiquette Basics. Today I will be unboxing 2 garments for my spring collection. So let's unwrap and see what we have. It's just beginning to feel like spring here in the Midwest. I'm in Indianapolis, Indiana. So we're still having cool mornings and warmer afternoons. It was actually only 37 degrees this morning when I took my morning walk. So in the spring, I like to start adding colors to my wardrobe that are a little bit more exciting than the darker colors that we typically wear in the winter time. So I wanted to add some pieces to my wardrobe that were lightweight, that were fun, that are fun to wear, and lighter in color. And so this first piece is a quilted jacket, definitely lighter in color. Definitely feels great. I like the feel of it. Clean cut lines here, snap buttons. And a great casual look for the spring summer and to get away from the darker navy blues and grays that I wear a lot of. So this is the first piece, which is a quilted jacket by Cole Haan from their, I think it's from their Zero Grand collection. Yes, it definitely has the Zero Grand labeling here. So definitely a really nice piece by Cole Haan. So I'm excited to add this piece to my wardrobe. The second box is here. And this piece I ordered hoping that it will be a little bit more dressy casual, sort of maybe a business casual look, something that I could wear slacks with for the spring summer, and something that I can definitely wear in the rain that isn't too heavy, because you end up sweating a lot when you wear a rain jacket here in the spring. So this piece is water repellent. I can actually feel it. It's water repellent. It's a little bit more of a sage green, and I really like it. It has a hood on it for the rain. Again, it's water repellent, and definitely the very clean lines again, squared off at the bottom. They have the larger buttons on this piece. And then it has the buttons are hidden here, which is great. You can adjust the sleeve width here of the barrel of the cuff. That's great. Deep pockets. So I'm really happy with both pieces. This actually has a vent in the back, a center vent. So I'm happy with both pieces, and I definitely think they will serve the purpose of something lightweight, something in lighter color, and something fun to wear for the spring. So thank you for being a part of my unboxing of 2 of my new spring garments that I am adding to my wardrobe. Thank you. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my YouTube channel. I hope every video that you viewed was informative and empowered you in some way. If you would, please click like and also comment and ask questions in the space provided. please subscribe to my channel, and that way you will be notified whenever I post a new video. If you need immediate assistance with your wardrobe, or if you're planning for an upcoming event, please contact me by texting me at 317-938-4869, and I will contact you promptly. Again, let me help you become the well-dressed, confident professional that you were meant to be.